T minus 10 seconds and counting. First, the thermal simulation sources ignite.
Will be T minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Then the main charge detonates. This view is from the South Park. This view is from the West Park. This view is from the Oscura Mountains. High-speed photography captures the advancing shock wave from the detonation. Note the smoke puffs. Several experiments are classified post-test and cannot be shown. Let's take a look at some that can be shown. This is the M109 howitzer being hit by thermal radiation. This is the TACOM van being hit by the blast wave. This is the French Como shelter. This Naval Surface Warfare Center radome was exposed to a thermal pulse in addition to air blast. This Canadian Mark 22 radome took a beating. The David Taylor Research Center mast held up well. This thermal test of United Kingdom clothing met its objectives. As did this test of a United Kingdom shipboard platform. The structure holding this Canadian SPQ-2D antenna was tested to destruction as planned. One of two ship's doors tested would not open easily post-test. One of the two shipboard windows tested by Canada fractured such that one could not see through it, and one survived as calculated. This re-entrant corner survived well. However, the radome did not. The thermal test of Canadian NBC equipment was a success. A joint venture between the U.S. Navy, Canada, and the United Kingdom on these superstructures was a success. The Swedish shelter survived, even though it was very close to ground zero. One of the Swiss antennas failed, as it was forecast to. Analysis of blast and thermal effects begins almost immediately. Film is retrieved and visual effects are noted by taking additional still pictures. The crater was roughly 80 feet deep and 325 feet across. After the experiments are removed, the test bed will be cleaned up, the crater will be filled, and the area prepared for the next test. DNA, on a periodic basis, executes high explosives events to validate nuclear survivability criteria for a myriad of Department of Defense systems. Distant Image was the 8th such test in the Misty Castle series. By every measure, Distant Image was a successful nuclear air blast simulation, providing unparalleled information concerning the status of U.S. and Allied military systems to maintain our defense capabilities.